Hello, Procol.ca present a major repair of an above-ground pool on a Zodiac canvas. Now, we glue the canvas edge. Wow, this is roughly a 9 inches tear. It's now ready for repair. As you can see, Procol is a strong hybrid adhesive sealant insoluble in water. It acts as a bonding agent to nearly anything. It's easy to apply the glue with a spatula. It is chlorine, frost, and UV resistant. This product is unbelievable. This canvas would cost $2,400 Canadian plus delivery and installation. Don't forget that Procol is also an underwater glue. Pool leak problems? You don't need emptying to fix it. Leaky skimmer, flowing hose, filter loss, Procol will fix it all. Here, we're using a thin plastic wrap as a support for the glue. Let's finish the repair. See the result? See how Procol is flexible? Unbelievable. Procol is super tough and comes in a variety of color. Watch other application videos at www.pro-col.ca.